Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cure dysentery in 7 days to die. So this is a sickness that you can get by drinking murky water or some rotten foods, and to cure it, it is going to be really easy. What you'll need to have is a campfire and some kind of a water source. By boiling murky water inside of a campfire, you can get water. And then you'll need to find these goldenrod flowers, which can be found inside of the pine forest. Go ahead and break them. And once you have goldenrod flowers, you can make the goldenrod tea by just using the water that you've boiled and flour inside of a campfire. Get the goldenrod tea, you can see here. And once you drink it like this, it is going to give you a little bit of a faster recovery for the dysentery. So this is pretty much all how to do it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.